So, 6 months ago we did a review on the Tonor TC-1020 desktop microphone. Since then, a lot has changed.
Coronavirus!
Well, today, your boy has got his hands on this Tonor TC-777 condenser desktop microphone. Once again, this microphone is compatible with PC, laptop, PS4, Mac OS, Linux and Windows. The box itself is fairly minimalistic, with just a simple glossy image depiction of the microphone to the front. Oh, hang on guys, hang on. How satisfying is that? So what have we got? Well, we have a service/warranty. There is a detailed and may I say very colourful installation guide. Yep guys, with a proper detailed microphone setup. That's good. Get rid of the lid. And, oh, guys, check out that padding. Just wish every product came as well packaged as this one. Anyway, we do get, okay, quite a small dual layer pop filter. Yeah, there is a foam microphone sock filter too. And I guess we got the microphone itself, which does already come fitted in this built-in shock mount and tripod stand. This particular microphone stand also comes with this handy built-in gooseneck extension, which with that supplied pop filter, just basically screws right onto the end. This mini tripod does indeed have 3 expandable metal legs. So at the bottom, there are those non-slip rubber ball feet, and this whole mic stand can be adjusted to your desired position, just like so. So yes, attached is that 1.5 meter USB 2.0 cable. It is indeed plug and play. There's no need for additional software, sound cards, or phantom power. It's easy to set up, you just simply have to plug it in via that USB, and your computer or laptop should automatically set things up. As mentioned, no need for any additional setup, and let's go and check that just now. Let's test it out. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Couldn't resist. And you know what guys, it's actually really light. I like the blue colour tone with the chrome edge detail, and that Tonor logo to the front. So yeah guys, the front, you know, where you're actually going to be speaking. Yeah? No! Ah, oh, okay. Well, let's go ahead and place it back together. Testing. Okay, so we're going to continue using this microphone from around about 60 centimeters away from the mic. We are going to continue using this microphone in voiceover, and well, so this Tonor TC-777 has a max recording resolution of 44.1 kHz 16-bit. It is a condenser microphone, so it has one front-facing cardioid pickup pattern, which I hope picks this voice up kind of clear and crisp. Now, because this microphone has that front-facing cardioid pickup pattern, well, noise from behind the microphone itself should be real low. Let's test it for ourselves. Let's turn it around. Alright. Okay, and let's just position myself around about a meter away from the microphone. So, yeah. If you guys can hear me, go ahead and subscribe. Can you hear that? No, because you've not clicked that bell notification option. So let me just go further away. Oh, great. Spilt my drink on the floor, man. Yeah, social distancing. Let's come up real close. No. And yeah, now we're nice up close and personal. And because we're going to test out those B, P's and T's. So this is just to test if we get any distortion with that pop filter in front. Because after all, it is very small. B, P, 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 B, 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 P, 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 T, 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 T. You've been tangled! Altogether, not too bad. Like I mentioned, I do prefer a bigger pop filter just because I like to move about when I'm recording, say if I'm doing a voiceover, I like to get some energy up. So if you're using this within, say, gaming, or for a gaming channel, say on YouTube, then you may want to just get a bigger pop filter. So yes, this microphone is suited for podcasts, voiceovers. It can even work with your PlayStation 4. So yes, I've got the sweets and I'm playing PS4. So, as you can see, I'm well smashing these bad guys up. Yes, it indeed does work on the PS4. Take that, sucker. Yeah, boom. You see that right in there? You know what? Grenade. So yes, that's a microphone, and back to the studio. So yes, voice pickup is quite adequate. You don't really need to be sitting up close and personal. I mean, if you get any closer, it'd be super loud. And I'm really surprised because of that 44.1 kilohertz 16-bit resolution. I mean, I did actually think that this microphone will be low quality, and I'm pleasantly surprised. If it's voice recording, it's not too bad. Podcasts, yes, great. I mean, the laptop's on in the background. Can you hear the fans? No? Good! And if you did, listen, you're going to get some noise from behind the microphone. I mean, the laptop isn't that far away. It's about a meter away, and it's red hot at the moment, so the fans are really picking up. So now this laptop's really close. You can hear the fans. And as you can see, I'm recording my voice just now, which is live. So if you're plugging this into a laptop, this is the kind of background noise you'll get if you're, say, standing it onto a desk and your laptop is on that same desk. You will get a bit of background noise. I mean, that's kind of obvious. So yes, I can see this microphone being very useful. And you know what? It's great for taking out after storing it for a while. I do have a voiceover microphone with a boom arm. I do take it out now and again, and it just takes up too much space. It's on top of my cupboard. Take it down, have to screw it in, then I've got to adjust it. This is just simply take out the cupboard, plug it in, and there you go. Now, there's drawbacks, but not with the microphone. If you're going to be placing a microphone like this on a work surface and you're going to be playing a lot of games, and guess what? PC gaming, you will be getting some of this noise. FIFA, bang. So just bear that in mind because of where you've placed that actual microphone. Now, what's good about this microphone is that you can actually unscrew this shock mount and place it onto a microphone boom arm should you wish. But bear in mind though, that you will need a female to male threaded screw adapter, which is not included. Nevertheless, compared to microphones that are 200 to 300 pounds that usually come with 4 pickup patterns, this microphone doesn't do a bad job. It is priced around £40, that's around 49 in US dollars. And I just think that overall, it's a great affordable concept and a great alternative to those much more expensive microphones. Certainly great if you're starting out on YouTube. If I was to rate this Tonor TC-777 out of my usual rating out of 10, well today, I've honestly got to give this condenser microphone set a 9 out of 10. Now I gave it 9 out of 10 today for this Tonor microphone, and it only is one negative, which is a tiny bit of background static, which to be honest wasn't very noticeable, but certainly present. But you know what, you'll be surprised not to get that when buying a whole microphone kit within that budget price range. This microphone certainly looks great. If you'd like to pick up one of these today, we'll leave a handy link in the video description down below. While you're there guys, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe. Making sure, yes, you hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all my new uploads. I hope to see you guys soon on my channel, and well, thanks for watching. Peace!